guys, Julie here and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be assembling a fall kitchen vignette. I will be using mostly Dollar Tree items. My tray is from Walmart and I have a couple items that I had on hand, like some twine and a cup and a pitcher, which I haven't decided yet if I'm going to use, but mostly everything is from the Dollar Tree, so make sure you stay tuned to see how I put this together. I am taking part in Denise Jordan's Fall Kitchen Vignette 2019, so I will have a link to a playlist down below if you want to see more inspiration to decorate your kitchen for the fall. So to begin, I'm going to use my Walmart tray. We had a couple of rules, you could say, when joining this challenge that Denise had for us. One of them is a tray, because she likes that in a kitchen you can move it around and it's never in your way if you're cooking or cleaning and you need to move it. So, which makes a lot of sense. So putting your kitchen vignette on a tray is a good idea. I'm also going to use this home sign that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use these 3 pumpkins. I'm going to use this buffalo check scarf, this little mini straw bale, 2 of the cotton stem bouquets. I'm going to use some twine that I had, and I haven't decided yet which one of these vessels I'm going to use to put the stuff in. So to start, I'm going to use the scarf just to kind of lay it over the tray. Then I'm going to place my sign, I think somewhere in the middle. One of the other requirements was that we had something with words, so I'm using this for my words. I have to, oh, this is messy. Take this straw, oh my goodness. That is messy. Don't open this over your tray. I'm so glad I didn't. And I'm going to place this in the corner. I'm going to put these pumpkins in like a little grouping. This tray does not, or this sign doesn't want to stay up. Okay, I think that's good. I kind of don't like the green stems. I may go back and paint that. And then I'm going to take my cotton stems here and I'm going to place them in. I'm going to bend this so that it fits better. I have to come around here so I can see if I like this. I lost a pine cone. I am not liking how this is standing. And my sign won't stay. This is going to be problematic. So I'm just bending the bottom of this to kind of give it a little bit more stability. There, that is much better. So I think I am going to use this. I got this at Goodwill for $1. And I didn't know what I was going to use it for, but I love it. Oh, maybe I want to wrap this around it. If I was going to use this glass mason jar, I was going to wrap this around it, but I might actually do that with this as well. See, I like that. Maybe with a little bow. I think I am going to do that. So I'm just going to tie this around and make a little bow, just like I'm tying shoestring. Like that, and then I need some scissors. And you can get this twine at the Dollar Tree as well. Maybe I'm gonna put this. I need to figure out how to get this to stay. Here. I think that's what I'm going to do for my kitchen vignette for the fall. Now, I have not bought fall candles yet, but I will most likely put a small fall candle right here because usually that's where I keep my candles in my kitchen, is on my vignette. And thanks to Denise's challenges, I have a seasonal vignette now. So I just took down my summer one yesterday to do this fall one. And I will show you where in the kitchen I place it. So this little corner right here in my kitchen is basically an unused space. I can't use that for preparing food or anything like that. So this is where I keep my kitchen vignettes. I find a spot where I'm not going to be using it a whole lot. If I had an island, maybe I could put it on there, but I don't have one. So I keep it right here, and I have a little light up there that kind of shines on it. And when I'm using this one, I keep it diagonal. And I have done some where I put like a cake stand here, and then I use that to put a vignette on, and I'll push that more into the corner. But I don't really use this corner, so it's the perfect spot for a kitchen vignette. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you like home decor videos, and I will see you guys next time.